What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Winders Model Farms. Today we're going to look at this Ferguson Farms walking floor trailer. Alright, so this is a set that DCP came out with, and it has the Ferguson Farms walking floor trailer. And I thought this looked pretty cool, so I bought me one. First of all, it does come with a Day Cab International 9000, I think. Not quite sure on that. So correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if you know what this is. But it does have a Ferguson Farms logo, your air hoses and everything. I believe it's got a hydraulic tank there. Your plate, everything. Some Ferguson Farm mud flaps. Pretty cool little truck. It does steer, so that's cool. And I really like this color blue too. Looks really good. So next, the reason I really bought this obviously was this trailer here. I mean, this is heavy. It's got a lot of weight to it. It is basically a van trailer with this tarp thing screwed on the top is basically what it is. And I really wish this could like roll up and unroll like a normal, like the grain trailers DCP made, but it doesn't. This is just a solid piece they put on top. When the door is open, kind of look in there and see that it's just a two-piece construction. They literally just screwed it on top of a van trailer, but it does look good. And so what this is here is a walking floor trailer. So if you're using it for agricultural purposes, you have this, you load it from the top with either, I guess you could do grain if you wanted to, but more practically like seed corn, silage, other things that you would have that aren't going to be typically going through a hopper bottom trailer. And what this does is this floor has different slats in it that would all move together, and then one would pull back at a time, and they'd all move together, and one would pull back at a time underneath it, pull out from under it, and that is how that works to push it out. It kind of takes a long time to unload these things, so that's why it wouldn't be as practical for like just regular corn or whatever. But if you did have silage, or if you had ear corn, like the picture shows, for either seed corn or other reasons, this would be a useful way. And this thing is massive compared to like a hopper bottom trailer too, so the capacity on this is very large. But I just think the decals look cool on it, and I've never seen anything like this, so I wanted it, and now we've got it. But other than that, it is pretty basic there. The semi comes with it. It's nothing special. But anyways, I hope y'all liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Check out our channel. We got some other videos on there. And subscribe if you haven't. We're starting to get a few more subscribers, so we appreciate that. We appreciate everyone who subscribes and watches. And thank you for being a great audience. Appreciate it, and have a good day.